Never be powerful because of somebody else's weakness. Now, it's very important, beloved. It's just about to know, Maluri, the blood will run to the wound. Now, power is that you must do the best without expecting anything from somebody. And a real blessing, according to the scriptures, it's happening in the extra mile. You only do what is expected, but you don't do what you can do. And the government places. Never ever inspection. Out of that expectation. Langutwa kere baratu. Ene motho ya tlameha hore ibe family ya hao, ya tlameha be chobi ya hao. Treata motho jwalo ka motho, o sa kgathaletse hore background ya hae tswa jwang. Ene as a leader, a re batla go bona dieta tsa hao ha o le hodimo, re batla go bona le sefahleho sa hao. Because batho ba ba nyoloha o sa ba bona, o bona dieta, di soul tsa dieta ba hodimo. But you are not powerful until somebody is powerful because of you. There are these things, they call them seedless grapes. The seedless grapes, there is no future in it. We cannot be people who are seedless, that we are so nice for ourselves, but we leave a vacancy, not a legacy for the coming generation. But they design it in a way that a car exhaust is not in the front, MEC. It's in the back. If the car malfunction, the smoke doesn't suffocate the driver. It suffocates the followers. Now, if you don't take care of your car, you are frustrating the coming generation. And I said this to politicians, and I'm saying it without fear. It must never be about the next election. It must be about the next generation. There is a man who said, is the director said, we are planning the future that will be absent in it. Which means we are planning not our future, the future of the coming generation. May God help us so that we lift each other up. And how not the front biters, only the back biters. Now the back biters, they cannot bite you at the back if they are in front of you. Now batubao sebang, kibatubao sebelita. Namduka kere, batubao sebang, kibatubao sebelita. And about to us all back in, kibatubane babaka obawena. Habasule abakwat. Longu tulori giteng. Bare tsatsile leng. Hona le di noa tse ile tsa kena ka ras fofane. Tsa di step abatho. Ha ba founela ba fatshe MEC ba re na le problem ya di noa. Instead of bane ba re theoang ke ba re go a little higher and call us again. Hantse ba nyolo ba re mona ha re nyolo di a nyoka ntutse. Ha re nyoloang hape le phone. After a few minutes, who phone about Dimubare? Something in the plane strange is happening. Snakes are dying naturally. Yes, and how about a post-mortem about altitude? Which means, what am I saying to you?
Altitude.
Labatuba useba nyulua hanya. Le hadi ndwadi luana nyulua hanya. Le haibe chele tahiyo nyulua hanya. Because there is a level where snakes can never breathe. Iringa menika ufela baratu. There is a dimension and the level where snakes will automatically die. Satsileling, unalik tonki yongwe. Mngayona hai wela kaka mukoti azama winta ya hanautu. MMC ya se khutsi ya kopa batho ba tlo mothusa o ekatela. Many people were absent when he was trying to rescue it. But everyone was present when he was burying it. I've said something deep and you don't hear me. You can be sick and struggle and no one will visit you, but die. In Shokobo. Le haebe ha una dijo ka tlung ha o ka shwa ho be setswa fatshe. O ka shwella dikobong tse tabuile o patwe ka kobo e ntjha. Because people can sponsor your funeral, but they cannot sponsor your revival. I'm saying this. Let me see. But I have to wait. I've been here from 12 o'clock. But I thank God that I waited. Have a bit of MMC, but it's about Mobu, the director. Bagabai Katela. Hatonki Utwa Mobu. Yaske au Mamel. Now so. Shake it off, and it went higher. It ended up above their level, using the very thing they were trying to bury it with. I want to encourage you. How about to shake it off and go higher? How about shake it off and go a little bit higher? When they talk about you, shake it off. Finally, the donkey was out, and it said a statement that I want to say before I sit down. Yes, I'm dirty. Yes, I'm tired. But thank God I'm out. I'm out. May the Lord bless you, and may the Lord keep you. Never allow your condition to be your conclusion. You are more than your past. I want just to say to you, may God bless you and may God keep you, and thank you for the invite. And I will come again. Now I came to the occasion. I will come again. I can come even during the week and pray with people. I'm not too powerful. I'm not a celebrity. I'm just the servant of God. But what on later 4 o'clock they are picking me up together. But I love you. Thank you, MEC. Thank you, MMC. Thank you, leadership and leadership. God bless you. I love you.